Ever wake up with that dreaded morning breath, even after brushing and using mouthwash? You're not alone. Millions deal with it daily, and it's more than just an annoyance. Morning breath is actually your body's way of signaling it's in detox mode while you sleep. As your body repairs itself overnight, toxins and waste products can build up in your mouth. That unpleasant smell? It's a sign your mouth needs a little extra help clearing things out. But you don't need harsh chemicals or expensive products. There's a simple, natural solution using just 3 ingredients: coconut oil, sea salt, and fresh mint. These work with your body's natural cleaning process to detoxify your mouth and support oral health. This isn't just about masking odor, it's about creating a healthier environment for your teeth and gums. With this easy routine, you'll wake up fresher, more confident, and ready to start your day. Let's break down how these 3 ingredients can transform your mornings. Say goodbye to covering up the problem and hello to real, lasting freshness. Ready to make a change? Let's dive in. Here's how it works. Most of us grab mouthwash for quick freshness, but here's the catch. Many contain alcohol that dries out your mouth. A dry mouth actually helps bad bacteria thrive, making your breath worse over time. These mouthwashes kill both good and bad bacteria, disrupting your mouth's natural balance. Good bacteria are essential for digestion and protecting your gums. When you wipe them out, you leave your mouth vulnerable to more problems, including persistent bad breath. Plus, mouthwash just masks the smell instead of fixing the root cause. It's like spraying air freshener in a dirty room. The source of the odor is still there. To truly solve morning breath, you need to remove toxins and restore balance. That's why a natural approach works better. The 3-ingredient routine gently cleanses and supports your mouth's healthy ecosystem. No harsh chemicals, no dryness, just real, lasting freshness. Let's get started with Step 1. Step 1 is oil pulling, an ancient, simple practice. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil and let it melt in your mouth before brushing or drinking anything. Swish it gently for 10-15 minutes, letting it reach every corner. Coconut oil attracts toxins and harmful bacteria, pulling them from your mouth and gums. Don't swallow, spit it into the bin, not the sink, to avoid clogging pipes. This step reduces plaque, whitens teeth, and removes the bacteria that cause bad breath. Oil pulling is gentle but powerful, setting the stage for a truly clean mouth. You can multitask while swishing, get dressed, make your bed, or prep breakfast. After spitting, your mouth will feel incredibly fresh. This is more than a quick fix, it's a real detox for your mouth. Ready for Step 2? Let's keep going. Next up, the sea salt rinse. After oil pulling, rinse with warm sea salt water. Mix half a teaspoon of sea salt into a glass of warm water. Avoid regular table salt for best results. Swish and gargle for 30-60 seconds, reaching every area, especially the back of your throat. Sea salt's minerals and antibacterial properties help reduce harmful bacteria and soothe your gums. It also balances your mouth's pH, making it harder for bad bacteria to thrive. This rinse washes away leftover oil and toxins, leaving your mouth clean and refreshed. No need to rinse with plain water afterward. The saltwater step complements oil pulling perfectly. Together they create a healthy, alkaline environment for your mouth. Your mouth will feel revitalized and ready for the final step. Let's finish with a burst of natural freshness. For the final step, chew 2 or 3 fresh mint leaves, or use a drop of food-grade peppermint oil in water as a rinse. Mint's natural oils instantly freshen your breath and fight bad bacteria. It also boosts saliva production, your mouth's natural defense against odor and decay. Peppermint can even help your digestion, supporting fresh breath from the inside out. This last step is simple, green, and powerful. In just a few minutes, you've detoxed, balanced, and refreshed your mouth, naturally. Try this 3-ingredient routine for a week and notice the difference. You'll wake up fresher, more confident, and ready to take on the day. Small changes can make a big impact on your health and confidence. What's your biggest morning breath struggle? Share below, we're in this together. Check the video description for my recommended essentials. No gimmicks, just what works. Subscribe for more shocking truths about your daily life and well-being.